Welcome back to the man cave. Today we're doing this Westwood cutter deck. I'm waiting for spindle bearings to turn up. What I have got are these idler pulleys. If I take the belt out of the way, this one, as you can hear, oh there, oh there. Yeah, that one's totally knackered, and this one is really seized up and stiff and horrible. So what we're going to do, quick video, it's only take 5 minutes. We're going to take these two off and put the new ones on in preparation for the she's there. In preparation for our new deck bearings. Oh. This is where that slip off and I catch my hand because I'm being lazy. I should have really used a socket, shouldn't I, but couldn't be bothered. So there's our, hey, there we go. There's our knackered pulley. I'll just lube that thread up. There you go. And this is for a John Deere 115 42-inch deck. There's the part number if you guys want it. It's GY22172. So we crack him out. He can go. Yep, he can go either way up. On he goes. I am going to have like I say, I'm going to take the spindle bearings out of this as well. But they haven't turned up yet, so I can't do them today. But I will video it because I'm sure some of you guys are interested in how you do spindle bearings on lawnmowers, because there you go, like that, lovely. Will this one undo? Oh, bugger! There you go, drop your spanner, fan. There we go. She was tight. Cool. Cool. She ain't been off there for a while. There you go. Yep, she's a bit seized around that shaft. But there's that one. We have part number for this one, GY20629. That's your John Deere part number for that one. So let's get him out. And what I am going to do is I'm going to wire brush up that spindle. Because that was a bit tight coming off. But we don't particularly want that tight going on. So we just wire brush, bit of duck oil. Again, this will go on either way. Put your belt in the back there. Oh, look at that, sits on there a treat, look. Falls on. Put our nut on. It's a nylock, so you're going to have to spin it on with your spanner. there you go. That is the pair of new pulleys fitted to the 115. Short and sweet video. Next time you'll see me, I'll take these covers off, buzz these big pulleys off, bang them spindles out, and we'll get the old deck bearings changed. Give the old deck a paint up. Of course she needs painting. Then she can go on that machine what we've been doing. I'll show you a follow up the video and see the actual tractor. So yeah, she'll be good when she's done. Right, I'm off. Ta-da for now. Ha ha.